guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome again, and hopefully you stay with me. And today it's like revealing, unboxing the new Blockbuster from Estee Lauder. I promised you last time, if you watch my last video, so obviously I mentioned about the Blockbuster and what is inside. So today it's gonna be kinda unboxing. Probably some of you already know what is inside, because it has been, like landed in store for quite long time. I think like this year it hasn't been delayed, because the last year, yeah, we haven't received on time, so this year obviously it's there already on the shelves. It's different qualifier. I will tell you in a second about qualifier, because obviously if you want buy this beauty Blockbuster, so you have to spend this year £50. I don't know what is qualifier in different countries, like in US maybe it's less, maybe it's more, because it's kind of the exchange rate, I think. But I think it's worthy every money, and I show you in a second what is inside. Let me introduce the box. This year is slightly smaller, I would say, but it's for good. Actually, for me it's prawns, because why not? It's like less this kind of suitcases side, but then it's more portable, you can take with you, and it's kind of like a velvety texture, very beautiful with the compartments. And then when you go through the main compartments, so obviously the case is revealing all the 7 full-size products, mostly skincare, because you have advanced night repair, our 7-in-1 serum, which is literally very good for everyone, no matter what age, what ethnicity and skin tone. It's 30 ml, so it's like the smallest size, but obviously on its own it costs you £65. Then you have the jelly, the new kind of the face wash with amino acid. I haven't tried yet, but I like the texture, but I haven't tried, like I said, on my face. Then you have the product which has been for a long time with Estee Lauder, so obviously it's eye makeup remover. Then you have full-size advanced night repair eye cream, gel cream, the new formulation, and kinda half size because it's 15 ml revitalizing supreme. Then you have the 2 glosses, the lip glosses. I will show you in a sec the color. And obviously you have 2 best-selling kind of lipstick. One is like powerful, another one is carnal, but they change slightly names. I don't know why, because previously I thought that it's like limited edition, but yeah, this is kind of the colors we've got, like carnal and powerful. And then you have lip liner. So it's the first compartment. I will go through in a sec. And then the second compartment, so it's literally in the front of you. It's revealing the eyeshadow and mascara. So this year we have only one palette. I mean, the last year I think it was like blush, the palette with blush and kind of highlighter, and then the eyeshadows. But this year it's this. You have 6 different eyeshadows. Here we go. So this is what is inside. So you have from the kind of blushy pink, then you have like kind of brownie ashy color, then 2 very versatile, I would say, and neutral and nudie color. So you can literally use every single day, and even to work or any occasion, because you can do kind of smoky eyes. And the signature mascara, Sumptuous Extreme. This big lash multi applying volume mascara. You know, guys, that mascara probably very well, all of you who actually use Estee Lauder. So it's the signature one. But let me show you the lipstick. So So first lipstick, look at the packaging. The packaging is beautiful. It's obviously Christmassy and festive, and it's like this Christmassy vibe already. And look at this engraving side, like it's like all about the Christmas stars, this joyful season. So this is the color, honestly blind guys, but it's called Saturn Rain, and it's kinda pinky, a little bit maybe frosty, but I would say more pinky color. So this color, they said that it's like powerful, so obviously if you want replace after when you finish this one, so I would advise you to buy powerful. And then obviously from Pure Color Envy range, then you have another one. This one is more red, so it's very, very festive, and it's called Scarlet Red. But I swear this is kind of carnal color, so look how pretty it is, but it's very vivid, very bold, and obviously it's for the Christmas season, so yeah, any partying, why not? Then you have I don't know if I can take it out because it's very, very stuck there. It's like a lip liner. I think it's color blush or coral. Oh, I can't take it, guys, sorry for that. But then you have two different lip glosses. Oh my god, I really struggled to take it out. Later I finally took it out. So this is the first lip gloss, and it's called Divine Plum. So it's like kind of plummy purple color. It's very glossy, and obviously give you this beautiful purple shade. And the another one is called Ruby Quartz. So it must be definitely kind of like the reddish, it's quite red, yeah, kind of red, beautiful texture, but you know that they smell divine. Honestly, it's amazing. It's like a kind of like bakery sweet scent or vanilla maybe. Yeah, this is kind of vanilla scent, so it's pretty good. So look at this color. So I think it's a good kind of selection of color because they would suit every single like the skin tone, I think, especially this one, and obviously red, and then you have kind of the pinky shade, and obviously Carnal, which is kind of very bold red divine color. It's one of the most popular and one of the most like selling, I would say. So this is everything very pretty, sellable, and you can use like anytime, especially skincare. So the retail value is £411. So it's quite a lot. As I said, especially this product is on its own 65, then you have 54 for the eye cream. This one I can't remember because they don't have in my store, and jelly is about the £30. Each lipstick is like retail value, it's 34. Then obviously you have lip liner, which is roughly 27 as I remember, and lip glosses, they're not available in my store, so I don't have any clue, but roughly it's probably 27 each. So yeah, it's really worthy every penny, especially if you're a fan of the Estee Lauder skincare. So tell me about if you like this box and what you think about the qualifier this year. I think it's pretty good because when you spend obviously £50 and you're buying from the counter, so yeah, this is like especially lots of goodies inside. You can split and use as a kind of stocking fillers, or you can use for you, or you can give to your bestie or any member of family. But I think it's worth it every penny, and it's nice to have it. So if you like it, then obviously you know that you can get from your department store, so just run there and buy, because it's, I think this year, like I said, it hasn't been delayed, but probably we don't have too many drops, so just run and buy. Thank you for watching today. Hopefully you enjoyed the full video, and obviously I really like if you like, comment below and just give me the thumb up, and obviously subscribe. big heart for you. Yeah, you just try it, because I think I tried it in the training. This is young kind of lip gloss, and it's very glossy. Obviously I don't have mirror, so I can't watch only in the camera how it looks, but it's very glossy. Look like how joyful, festive and bold it is. But I think, yeah, it's very nice color, very flattering for everyone.